In this video, we'll be discussing how to edit the properties of COGO points or a set of points using a table editor. You have two options for changing the properties of each point. You can either use the usual AutoCAD properties, or you can edit the parameters directly in the tool space table at the bottom. All fields that aren't grayed out are available for editing, and you can change their values. You can also open the special table window called Panorama. This can be done for a single point or for all points at once by using the Select Similar command and then accessing this editor. There's another way to open the editor. You need to select the points collection on the Prospector tab, bring up the context menu, and select the Edit Points command from it. This also opens the Panorama Table Editor, which contains all the properties that can be assigned to the points. There are quite a few properties, and they're not always used. Some columns can be hidden, and you can disable properties that you don't intend to change or that can't be changed. For example, if the drawing doesn't have a coordinate system assigned, then some parameters will simply be unavailable. Working in this compact form is more comfortable and convenient. Any active field can be edited. For instance, you can change the point number or assign it a different style. To do the same for all points, you need to hold down the Shift key, select all points, and while still holding down Shift, click on the property field and change it. Then the properties will be changed for all selected lines and points.